Hey, welcome to Sherman Oaks Medical. Today we're going to be going over the golden CarryOn scooter, and I'm going to go ahead and tell us why this is the most practical scooter you can buy. The golden CarryOn scooter, as the name suggests, is a folding scooter. So it's super easy to go ahead and fold and put this into a car to travel with. So the first thing is going to be the seat that pops right off. This is only 10 pounds. We have two levers here that we're going to lift out and push forward. And we have a yellow lever here that we're going to pull on. This releases our tiller, and we're going to push that all the way down. And then you have an optional basket. If the basket is on the scooter, you are able to fold it. As it is just like this, the scooter is about 43 pounds, so it's very lightweight. The way they designed the scooter, you can grab that front handle and go ahead and roll it like a dolly. And if you have a van or an SUV, loading it into the trunk is super easy because you would just lean it and lift from the back and push in, which we'll go ahead and demonstrate. Going over some of the features that the golden CarryOn has, the scooter itself is going to come with two keys. You go ahead and turn that key to the right, it's going to power our scooter on with a charging indicator. We have our speed dial here, top speed of about 4 miles per hour, slow setting of about 0.5 miles per hour. The right lever is going to go forward, left lever is going to go reverse. We have a horn, and we also do have front LED lights that are controllable. The unit does also have a USB port if you need to charge a phone and a cup holder. The basket's an optional accessory that also folds if needed. On a full charge, this unit's going to go for about 18 miles with the standard battery. They do also sell a travel battery which goes for about 9 miles, which is allowed on airplanes if you're going to travel on the airlines with the device. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how easy it is to load into the car. So again, the first thing is going to be our seat that we pop off. Then we're going to drop the seat post down as well as the scooter. Going to make sure it's powered off. Fold our basket in. And then we're going to grab it from the front. We're going to lean the front onto the car. Hold it from there so it doesn't slip off. Grab from the rear and then begin pushing it in. So if the trunk is not long enough, you can also go ahead and just slowly turn it. Put our seat in, and then we'll go ahead and close our trunk. Super easy, super practical for putting into a car, and it's also very lightweight, being only about 40 pounds. Thank you guys for tuning in to our in-depth video on the golden CarryOn scooter. This is a scooter we keep here at our new large showroom here in Los Angeles, located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California. We have this scooter as well as a plethora of others here on display, and we strongly encourage customers to come give it a try before buying, just so you know it works right for you. Please give us a call at 818-981-9906 or visit our website at www.shermanoaksmedical.com. Thank you.